Why is it that some people seem to get richer over time, while others work just as hard but remain stuck financially? The truth is, wealth is not just about how much you earn, it's about the choices you make with your money. In this video, we are uncovering the 7 biggest money mistakes that keep people poor and how you can avoid them. If you stay with me until the end, you will not only recognize these traps, but you will also learn how to break free and finally take control of your financial future. Number 1, living without a budget. Mistake number 1, living without a budget. Imagine trying to reach a destination without a map or GPS. Chances are you will get lost. The same applies to your money. Without a budget, your spending becomes a guessing game, and that's exactly what keeps you broke. Most people say, "I roughly know where my money goes," but studies show that over 60% of individuals underestimate their monthly expenses by at least 20%. Think about your daily coffee, that extra online subscription, or even small convenience store trips. They add up silently. Start simple. Track every expense for 30 days using a free app or even a notebook. Categorize your spending: needs, wants, savings, and investments. Once you see the numbers in front of you, you will spot leaks you never noticed. Number 2, relying on debt. Credit cards, buy now, pay later, and easy loans create a false sense of wealth. You might think you are upgrading your lifestyle, but really, you are mortgaging your future for short-term pleasures. Did you know the average American pays over $1,000 per year in credit card interest alone? That's money literally being thrown away. Use debt only as a tool, not a habit. If you cannot pay for something twice in cash, you probably cannot afford it. Create a plan to pay off high-interest debt first and cut up unnecessary cards if needed. Number 3, not saving or investing early. Here is a painful truth. The best time to start saving and investing was yesterday, and the second best time is today. Many wait until they earn more to start saving, but wealth grows through consistency, not occasional big deposits. Compound interest rewards time more than amount. For example, if you invest just $200 a month at 8% return starting at age 25, you could retire with nearly $600,000 by 60. Start at 35 and you'll have less than half that. Start with what you can, whether it's $20 or $200. Automate your savings and consider index funds, retirement accounts, or even safe side investments that grow over time. Number 4, ignoring financial education. Financial ignorance is expense. Schools teach you math and history, but rarely how to manage your paycheck or invest wisely. If you do not understand taxes, inflation, or the difference between assets and liabilities, you will always be at the mercy of others who do. Set aside just 15 minutes a day to learn about money, watch a finance video, read a blog, or listen to a podcast. Over a year, that's over 90 hours of life-changing knowledge. Number 5, lifestyle inflation. One of the sneakiest traps: lifestyle inflation. The moment your salary increases, you start upgrading your car, your gadgets, your wardrobe. Suddenly, the extra money is gone. And if your expenses grow with your income, you will never build wealth, no matter how much you make. Instead, when your income increases, keep your lifestyle the same for at least 6 months. Use the extra money to pay debt, invest, or build savings. Wealthy people often live below their means for years before they upgrade. Number 6, not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable: job loss, medical bills, car repairs. Without an emergency fund, one surprise expense can force you into debt. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It keeps you from drowning when storms hit. Start small. Aim for $1,000. Then work toward 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Keep it in a separate, easily accessible savings account, not in stocks or risky investments. Number 7, depending on a single income source. If you have only one income source, your job, you are one step away from financial collapse if that source dries up. The wealthy understand this. They build multiple income streams, side businesses, freelance work, digital assets, or investments that pay dividends. Start with something small and scalable, a skill-based freelance service, affiliate marketing, or even creating digital products. One extra income stream can change your future. So, this is the conclusion of everything we have discussed about the 7 money mistakes that silently keep people poor. Each of these mistakes, living without a budget, relying on debt, delaying savings and investments, neglecting financial education, falling into lifestyle inflation, ignoring the need for an emergency fund, and depending on only one income source, acts like a silent chain holding your financial growth back. The good news is, you do not need to fix them all at once. Change starts with awareness. Pick just one mistake you have identified in your life today and take a small step toward correcting it this week. Over time, these small, consistent actions can completely transform your financial future. Remember, wealth is rarely built by luck. It's built by smart habits, discipline, and decisions repeated over years. Your future self will thank you for every smart decision you make today. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and comment below. Which mistake are you breaking free from first? Let's grow wealthier together.